Hello all traders. Today is Friday, 8th of November 2024, and we're going to look at the trades that we're going to take on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 if we see low risk opportunities. As we see, the macro chart of 1 hour shows that the price was fluctuating around the previous day close and it started to go down and recovered again. And by looking at the 10-minute macro chart, we see that the price after New York market opening started to go up. So our plan of action for today is to wait for the volatility to calm down, and when the price has a deeper pullback here and reach this area of the support, and based on the reaction of the price to this level, if the buyers come back, we will take long positions when we see an established uptrend. And if the price reach the area of the resistance and get rejected, we will take also sell short positions. So stay tuned, and we're going to update you with any trade that we're going to take today. So we're back, and the price had a deeper pullback and reached the support area, and the buyers came back. So we're taking long positions with setup C and T repeatedly and take advantage of this uptrend move. Although there's not much room till the resistance area, so we're just going for a quick scalp to take advantage of this small uptrend swing and repeatedly take long positions with setup T. And now we're close to the level of resistance. And we see that the selling pressure is strong. We just had one loss on the Nasdaq, and we're going to wait for the deeper pullback and take long positions here and set limit orders below that. And by closing this one with profit or loss, we're going to finish the trend. The price has a high volatility, so it's not good for novice trader to trade this highly volatile market. On Nasdaq, we have now several long positions, and we try to manage this aggressively. So the price reached the area of the resistance and it got rejected, and sellers came back. So we're taking one sell short position on Nasdaq, waiting for another pullback and take another sell short position and go for a very quick scalp and profit. This position was also closed. We took also one long position on Dow Jones, which is more trendy, and also Nasdaq, and we managed this proactively to close it with profit. So the volatility is high, so we're going to end the trades for the day. And let's look at the stats of all these trades that were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts. And as you see, the profit factor is positive, reaching 3.25, which is coming from 88% win rate, 86% mainly from the long position, and 100% from two sell short positions taken. And average win to loss ratio was close to 0.5. The largest winning trade was 190, and the largest losing trade from the one single loss on Nasdaq was $304. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day and also weekend.